Okay, yeah.
Your hand, please. Let's pray before study.
Okay. Is there anyone absent today?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, who is absent today?
Shakira.
Okay, Sakira and Kejora, what happened to them?
Shakira, see.
Oh, it's going somewhere, and then the other one? See? Okay. Pray for your friend that she will be better soon, okay? And let's try to do banana dance. Okay, please stand up all of you.
Yes.
Okay.
Banana.
Okay.
Banana.
Banana dance. Banana dance.
Banana.
1, 2, 3, go.
Peel. Banana. Peel. Banana. Chop. Banana. Chop. Banana. Eat. Banana. Eat. Banana. Shake. Banana. Shake. Banana. Boom. Banana. Boom. Banana.
Thank you. Okay, you can sit down. Okay. You just done the banana. If you cut one banana into 4, so each part of the banana will have 1/4. Jadi kalau kita potong satu pisang, ya, jadi 4 bagian. Jadi satu bagiannya jadi berapa? Got 3 parts. The blue. You got 3 blue parts. So what is the fractions?
3, 4.
Oh, very good. 3/4. Would you like to answer my question? Raise your hand first. Okay, you. What's your name? Reta. Leta. Okay, Mbak Leta. What part of the fraction is this? Very good. Give applause to Mbak Leta. Now, okay. Now I will divide you into some groups. I will divide you into 7 groups. Okay? Because you've got 42 students. So I will divide you into 7. Okay, it's okay. 1, 2, yo, hurry up. Who can answer? Find the fraction. Okay. Are you sure this is 2/3? Is that 2/3? What's your name? Nagita. Rajita. Oh, Rajita, sorry. Okay. Is that correct for Rajita? 3/5? Oh, Razi. Correct. Is that correct? Yes. Good job for Rajita. Give applause to Rajita. Okay, Rajita, thank you. Thank you. Bagus, succeeded. Okay, to check your understanding about what we have discussed today, I'm going to choose you. Wait. Okay, this one. I want you to play this quizzes. The quiz in quizzes application in this Chromebook. I will choose one of you. Maybe what's your name?
Maya.
Yes, you. What's your name?
My name is Naya.
Naya, come here. Yes. So Naya will play the live quiz for what we have discussed today for fractions. You try. Oh, you tadi sudah jadi. Okay, you. Yeah. Come here. Okay. Ayah memberi tali sepanjang 5/7 meter. Sepanjang 3/7 meter dari tali tersebut digunakan untuk mengikat kardus. Berapa meter sisa panjang tali milik ayah? 27? Yeah, that's correct. Give applause to her. Okay, good job. I hope that you can use these fractions on your daily life. Maybe you want to share your cake. You have one cake, and then you have to share to 4 of your friends. Then you have to cut equally. So you will use fraction. Yeah. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for our teaching video today. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.